class, and welcome to week 15 of English 101 Online. This is the final week of the semester. You have made it. Congratulations. You just have 2 more things to do. The first is the peer review for the GREAT essay, which is your cultural icon essay. And the second, of course, will be the final draft of your GREAT essay. The GREAT peer review is going to be found on the discussion board post. You will highlight your own essay and highlight and underline the quotes or paraphrase from your essay, I should say. Highlight or underline your thesis statement. Post your essay onto the discussion board post. That includes your works cited as well. And please review 2 of your classmates' essays as well, and respond to each of the essays with a focus of how the sources are integrated and if they support the argument on the thesis. Check to see if all of the sources cited in the body paragraphs also appear on the Works Cited page. Please use your Lumen peer review checklist for help as a guide. You may respond to your classmates by letting them know what they did a great job of, what they need to work on, what you're confused by, or what the information reminds you of, or what it makes you think of. Please post your essays on the discussion board, and then finally you will submit the final draft of your essay in the Assignments tab. Just as you've been doing with the other essays, you will go to the navigation bar on the left side of your page in Blackboard. You'll go to Assignments, scroll down to find your assignment, which is the GREAT essay. Click on the link, upload your essay, and be sure to submit it. Be sure also to check to make sure that you've checked off the Safe Assign check sheet to make sure that it is fine. We call this the plagiarism tool, and just check it to agree to submit your essay through the global reference database. I hope this information was helpful. Good luck. Goodbye.